Hello everyone, take a bottle and then take some jute thread. Cut off the base and the top of the bottle, join them both together, add tape all around, and then, using a hot glue gun, stick a cardboard base to it. Now line it with some jute thread all the way to the top. Add your flowers into it. Take a ribbon and then cut off a small piece of the ribbon. Make V-shaped cuts on one end of it. As for the other end, burn it and then join it together. Make multiple of these and then stick them on tape. Then add a stem and roll your flower around it accordingly. Add thread to the base and then add more layers wherever required. Add a green stem as well as flowers all around it. Take a pink ribbon and then add tape right down a strip to the center. Fold it in half as such and then curve the sides to make it look like a leaf. Slightly twist the edges as well. Next, make multiple of these and then wrap them around a green stem. Add a yellow center to it as well. Take some green ribbon and then cut off a little piece of it. Take some white ribbon as well and then add tape to one of the ends. Remove the layers of it so that it looks like a feather and then add green underneath it. Line it until you reach the bottom. You may also do this with other colors such as pink. Now start off by taking two straws, join them together. Wrap it around and then add tape on one of the sides, cut it into half. Add more pieces of tape to the other side and more pieces of ribbon. Now put one on top of the other, join them together and roll them together. Make the leaves out of pink as well. Next, take a ribbon and then make a small slit in it. Burn the edge of it and then take a needle and make multiple stitches to the other side. Pull a thread through it and then add a center stem to it. Take a straw and then add it as the leaves on the side. You may make this in multiple colors. Take a little jar of water and then take a ribbon. We have chosen to cut off the base of the ribbon, add a little needle through it and pull it right through the center. Twist it to make your flower. Then add a green bottom and stem to it as well like this. Thank you for watching.